Kia ora viewers. So yes, for the past month and a half, the Te Ipukarea Society have been working closely with the Year 12 Tereora students, our environmental sustainability class. The main objective, I guess, of this program was to equip the students in the knowledge of environmental issues that are currently going on within our community here on the Rarotonga. And then the second phase was then going into the whole photography side of things, teaching them skills in the realm of photography, how to take a great shot and how they can raise awareness raising messages through one shot. So that program came up to a wrap last night. We had our expo launch, our photography expo launch. So we have 21 amazing shots here at the Bergman Gallery, and it will be displayed for the next week. So up until the end of next week, you can come in to the Bergman Gallery here in town and check out all our students' shots. With that being said, I mean, this was definitely not a one-man band. We had to draw upon the environmental expertise of various partners and stakeholders within the community. So thank you to the Natural Heritage Trust, Joe and your team, to Kōrero o Te Oro, Teina, Whenua Puna from Infrastructure Cook Highlands, and of course Lawrence Magic Reef Bungalows from the private sector, telling us more about how to be eco-friendly and conscious when it comes to accommodations here in the Cook Islands. Our photographer, Tukarau Jim, thank you once again for shedding your expertise in the area of photography. Very impressed with the end result, seeing all the different messages that are behind each individual's photos. So I'd highly recommend to come down, check out our students' shots. Really great expo. So out of our 21 shots, we had 2 grand prize winners, sponsored by Magic Reef Bungalows, and they each won $100. And this here is our top shot by Mayata Muscle. And Mayata's message basically talked about the importance of our wetlands and how our ridge to reef are connected, and that we need our wetlands to ensure all our sediments, all our offshore nutrients are filtered out before reaching the sea. And now we have our second winner, Eileen Vakapura. Eileen was our most aspiring shot, and this image here basically talks about how each of us, how us as individuals like to perceive our environment today, whether we see it for its beauty or its not so beautiful scenes. Very, very, very great image. There would have been a lot of editing work behind this. So Eileen, most aspiring shot.